Hi guys, welcome back to the Tech Dudes. Now we are going to unbox the OnePlus 6 tempered glass, which we have ordered from the Amazon. It's from the company named Systech. We have a pair of two for $5.99. If you want only one, you will get it for $3.50, and the link is in the description. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Sorry. And here is it. The tempered glass here is just 36.3 grams. While coming to the hardness part of it, it is a 9H glass, which is strong enough to survive the drops of few heights. The tempered glass is a perfect for the screen, and it gives space only for the camera and the front speaker. It is easy for installing. It gives a premium look and the quality is very nice. It gives a HD display clarity. The touch is accurate and protects the phone from scratches. It's a 5D glass, that is, it's a curved glass giving us edge-to-edge protection. So I would like to say it is worth for the money spent. The packaging was done by Amazon.in, and the packaging was very good. And you can rate this packaging at www.amazon.in/packaging. The name of the delivery guy is Karthik. He was such a nice person. He was talking sweetly. He gave me a chocolate, and this is a lie. Thank you for watching this video. Hit like if you like this video, dislike if you don't like it. But do comment about our video. Subscribe to our channel Tech Dudes if you haven't done it. And this is the new swag cap I've got for you. End of